Bon dia, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Mallu. As you have seen in the description link everywhere, I'll be taking you to the Central Market. Central Market is like one of the market where you purchase fruits, vegetables and groceries. Whatever you want to the house, you get everything over there, Central Market. I spoke to one of the guy in Portuguese. Okay, the Portuguese which I know. Any Portuguese watching people, please excuse me for the Portuguese. Don't tell me, don't put your comments that you doesn't know any Portuguese. I agree, I doesn't know any Portuguese. I would rate only 1 out of 10 for my language skill in Portuguese. But I have managed to talk to one of the guy over there. He will take me to the different shops over there. He'll show me the price, what all you get, everything he'll explain me. I'm not pretty sure. That's what the deal was yesterday. But I'll take you around, I'll show you the place. Just talking about a brief about Central Market. It's located in Basha, which is like hardly 2 kilometers from the port, 1.5 to 2 kilometers from the port. It was constructed in 1900. It's almost 100 years old. And initially there were 18 shops. Now they have increased and there are a lot of small shops over there. You get everything. You want potato, you want bean, or you want anything over there, you get it over there. Oh, you might be wondering what's this artwork behind me? Definitely, I'll show you what's the artwork behind me. So fam, without any further delay, let's get started. I'm just walking to my car. What things to be expected over there is like, it's morning, 7 o'clock. So there'll be no much people and I'll be able to take more footage. I'll be able to show you more. But let's see, as Sunday, last Sunday, like you have seen, there was no people in the Costa del Sol, very less people in the Costa del Sol. This week, let's see what happens. Central Market, everything. Yesterday I went over there. I bought beef for my house. Beef is around 350 Meticash per kg, and there are a lot of other things. I'll take you around, I'll show you. It's located near the port. That's the advantage. It was planned and it was built in such a way that it's located near to the port. It's hardly 1.5 to 2 kilometers from the port, and it was stopped in between for a long time. Then after they started it again in 2003, I guess. So finally I have reached here. As it is Sunday, the roads are empty. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, it's 7:45 in the morning. As you can see, it's empty. And this is the Central Market. I'll try to get a drone shot. I'm not sure whether it's allowed or not. This is the Central Market. This is the main entrance. All the green color windows what you see are different shops, different grocery shops. In those shops you get the normal cream, lotions, what all you need for the house. You get all those things in those shops. There are a lot of shops like that in and around. Towards the right side is the butchery shop. I don't think it's open in the morning, but I'll try to show you. As I've reached the entrance, I have seen... ¿Cómo te llamas, amigo?
Pedro.
Pedro.
Yeah.
See, his name is Pedro and he sells the handicraft works over here. As you can see, he has a lot of things. His bangles for the hand. He has the same thing what I am wearing in my hand. And he has cup, a lot of things with him. ¿Cuánto es Meticash eso? 250. This is like 250 Meticash. If you come over here, you can purchase from him. This looks like very decent. The work is very good. Isso? Pulseira. This is also bangles. This is bangles over here. As you can see, these are the bangles. I'll give you a close shot. So he speaks English. From how many years you are here?
I'm here for 7 years.
7 years. So it's very rare to see someone who speaks English over here, but he speaks, it's very good, and he sells over here. His name is Pedro. If you come to Central Market, you can purchase all these handicrafts. It's very cheap. This is like only 250, which is like 250 meti cash over here. So we can purchase from him, and he has lot of things. Okay, he stands over here in front of the Central Market. You can purchase everything from him. Fam, let's get started. As you can see, the corona precautions are taken here. This is the first shop which provides fruits and cashew nuts, you can see over there, and beans also. It's November here. Summer starts at November in Mozambique, and you can see the mangoes. Towards the right we have fish. It's a fish market. It's not open yet, but as you can see, prawns over here. You get all type of fishes here. The butcher shop is not yet open. Let's get back after some time if it's open or not. It's the Mozambican peri peri. Oh, I just love it. Fam, I forgot to tell you, Mozambique is also famous for cashew nuts. We export cashews from here. There are a lot of cashew farms in Mozambique. And what you see is the peri peri. It's peri peri, the pickle, mango pickle, all those things. Bom dia. Esteban. This is the guy I was talking about. So he has this store over here. Como que é?
Nice, boy.
Yeah. Pequeno. Sia. So this is pequeno. You know, quantos potato, batata, uma kilo?
Aquele tá 50.
Eh?
50.
50. 1 kg potato is 50 meti cash. And como te chama isso? Como te chama isso? Coco. Coconut. See, coconut. So I met one more friend over here. Como te chama? Eh? George. His name is George.
Fala sério,
Quanto que é isso?
25 metade esse aqui.
This is 25. Repolho?
Repolho 40 kilo.
Repolyo is like 40 meti cash per kilo. Jijibri quanto que é?
150 kilo, boy.
150 kilo. Okay.
Hã?
This is jijibri. This is jijibri. Ginger is jijibri. Limão? Limão?
80 kilo.
80. Limão is this. This is the entire Central Market. There are more than 150 shops over here. You can identify the shops by their numbers. This is the craft works which I was talking about. You can see the giraffe. Quanto é isso?
Essa aqui está 250, tem 350, tem de 300 ali à frente.
This is like 200 meti cash, and over there like you have more. Prices are written on this. Price range varies from 150 to 300, 350. These all works are handmade. As you can see, he's making the giraffe right now. cactus and all other plants what you see over here are at 175 Miti cash. George is taking to a different shop over here. Bom dia, mãe.
Bom dia, meu filho.
Como está?
Tô bem, não sei, meu filho, como está.
Yeah, aqui tá bem, obrigada.
Obrigada. Vamos trabalhar.
Sim, sim.
Já.
Eu postar um vídeo no YouTube.
À vontade.
Ok,
Yeah.
muito obrigado.
De nada.
Como te chama?
Olinda.
Olinda. So her name is Olinda,
Olinda.
and this is her son over there. And yeah. Que hora abre de manhã?
6 horas.
6 horas.
Fechamos às 12, como é domingo.
Ou domingo, 12
Fecha
horas.
às 12, yeah.
So they open at 6 o'clock in the morning, and as it's Sunday, they close by 12 o'clock. That's what she was saying. Quantos anos trabalhar aqui?
Aqui?
Tem loja?
Não, a minha banca é
Se banca assim.
sim.
E quantos anos?
Eu tenho 30 anos.
30 anos. So from 30 years, she's having this place over here. This is her banca. We call it as like small shop as banca. From 30 years, guys. 30 years. Just imagine. Like before I was born. I'm like 28 now. So even before I was born, it's been done. So like she's there. She's here. 13-14. Banca's location is like 13-14. That is the place, the shop name, or shop number. What we call it as here. Shop number is 13-14, 13-14. And this is her. That is her son. Pequeno. Criança.
Tem 6.
Shesh criança. Okay. Like, como te chama?
Meu nome.
No. Criança.
Primeira sorte é Maria.
Okay. Sorti.
Segunda, Gebas.
Gebas. Okay.
Terceiro, Souza.
Okay.
4, Beto.
Berto. Okay.
5, Paulina.
Paulina.
6, Exília.
Exilia.
Yeah.
Esse nome pequeno.
Neto.
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 Ok. E perguntar e falar pequeno nome.
Cara pequeno é Neto.
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 Ok. Quanto que é tomatino?
É 50.
50. This is like 50 per kg. This is cheap over here. Limão?
80.
80. Now it's like isso Mozambicano? No.
Não, sul-africano.
South African. This is Africa Soul, which is known as like South African lemon. This is
50.
50.
Yeah.
You can see cucumber at 50 meticash over here. And so capsicum?
Pimenta.
Pimenta. It's known as pimenta. Quanto que é? 80. This is like 80 per kg. Como se chama?
Noah.
Laura.
Noah.
Noah. Okay. Izaka.
Jaca.
Jaca.
Sim.
Okay. Jackfruit is jaca. And quanto que é isso?
Quilo é 80.
1 kilo 80. 1 kg is like 80 meticash. Esta onde casa ficar? Casa esta onde?
Casa é lá no Chopal.
Chopal. So de manhã.
Só acordo de manhã, vira trabalhar.
Okay. Chopal in Chapa de manhã.
Sim, tem que apanhar chapa.
Chapa. Quanto que
Chapa
meticash?
de
Zimpero.
12.
12 meticash. Per dia 12 uma vez.
12, 24.
24. Okay. As I was told, like the Chapa is the most common transportation over here. It's 12 meticash from Chopal to Central Market. Muito obrigado, mama.
Muito obrigado, meu filho.
Sim.
Como é que chama teu
Meu
nome?
nome é José.
José.
Sim.
Ok.
Indiano nome Sujomon.
É.
Aqui e o pai nome José.
José.
Sujo tem problema aqui. Sujo.
Ok.
Sujo não é bom nome.
É.
So you trocar o nome para José.
José. Ok. Muito obrigado, meu
I was
filho.
just saying like my name is Sujomon, but I changed my name to Jose over here because like Sujo means Suzo in Portuguese means like dirty. So I had to change my name to Jose. I was just explaining her my name. So this is peri peri loja. Everything is like peri peri. You can see peri peri is sold here. The red peri peri. Committee Shama? Huh? Inyasu. Inyasu, call nomi is Ashar. This is pickle from mango. Is so? Peri peri. Okay, this is like hard peri peri. Konte ka is so? 70 cash. This is like 100 meti cash over here. Is so? Eh? Picnish. Okay, that is Picnish. And tu trabalhar quantos anos agora aqui? Trabalhar quantos anos aqui? 4 anos. He's working from 4 years over here. Inyasu, qual isso? Qual isso?
Semente moringa.
Semente?
Sim, moringa.
Okay, it's like, it's made from this. The powder form is this. And quanto que é isso?
Isso está 100 meticais.
100 meticash. Okay, that is like 100 meticash. And esta onde casa? Casa.
Casa, bairro de aeroporto.
Bairro de?
Aeroporto.
Airport. He stays near the airport. Tem quantos quilômetros?
Quantos quilômetros? Não sei dizer.
Não sei. Tem chapa?
Sim. Mas são 30 minutos de chapa daqui a aqui.
30 minutes de chapa. It's like 30 minutes chapa from here. Quanto que é em chapa?
10 meticais.
10 meticash. It's like 10 meticash in chapa. And tu vir que hora? Tu vir que hora? Vir
Saio às 7.
7 horas. So Mozambique is also famous for cashew nuts. They export cashews from here. So I'm in front of a cashew shop over here. You can see like they have roasted cashews. They have salted like peri peri type. They have the normal cashews over here. They have bean, as I was saying, like you can get bean, everything they have over here. Bom dia, como te chama?
Lucrencia Antunes.
Okay?
Lucrencia Antunes.
Lucrencia, her name is Lucrencia. Isso tu branca?
Banga da minha senhora.
Senhor. Okay, it's like her Senhor is like her husband's shop. And tem quantos anos aqui, branca? Eu.
Essa banga?
Sim.
Essa banga mamãe comprou de 1963.
1903. Ok. Comprar foi 1903.
Mamãe comprou aqui.
Ok.
1963.
1963. It's like 1963. Her mom bought this brand. Known as Castanho.
Essa de castanha com sal.
Okay, with salt. That is like with salt. Okay. This is like with peri peri. This is like with salt. Cashew with salt. And this is like with peri peri.
Yes.
Peri peri is very famous. You should try this. Quanto que é isso?
Tá, 500 meticais.
This is like 500 meticais. Call weight
500 meticais de quilo.
kilo. It's like 1 kg is like 500 meticais. And this so?
Mesmo preço. É o mesmo preço.
Same price. It's like the same price. Because like I don't know Portuguese, that's why it's taking some time for me to translate. This is the same price, 500 meticais for 1 kg. And this is the normal one. And simple. Simple. 500 meticais. So if you come to her branca, it's in sector 9. It's in sector 9. And call Nomi Branca? Numero. Desh. So in sector 9, her branca is number 10. If you come over here, you'll get awesome peanuts. Sorry, not peanuts, cashew nuts. And I think she has peanuts also, sorry. See.
100 meticais. 200 meticais 1 kg.
Okay, this is like 200 meticash for 1 kg.
Yes. Aqui 200 também.
So beans, you have like the red beans and the black beans. Okay, 100 meticash.
200 meticais.
200 meticash. This is like 200 meticash for this. If you visit to Central Market, her branca is like in sector 11 and it's 10 over here. You can visit to her place. She has all type of cashews, what all you want. She has everything. This is her. They open at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. Dime que horas abrir? So morning 7 o'clock they open. If you visit this place, you can come here. Definitely try this cashews. It's very tasty. Try this. So this is about the Central Market. George is taking to a different shop over here. Let's see. Yeah, he's taking to me a different shop. Bom dia. Como está? God's grace, she's fine. That's what she's saying. So now it's like mango season. ¿Cuánto que kg manga? Same mitigash. This is like 100 mitigash for 1 kg.
Obrigado por ver a Maputo Malu.
Thank you for watching Maputo Mallu, and that means hit the like button. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, fam. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates from Maputo, Mozambique. Signing off, Maputo Mallu.